5 seconds in, and most people already sense whether a kitchen appliance will truly simplify their daily routine or just become another unused machine on the counter. Today, we're looking at one that aims to sit firmly in the first category. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. In this video, we're reviewing the Nuwave Brio 15.5 Qt Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven, an all-in-one countertop cooking system designed for larger households and more versatile home cooking. If you're someone who values efficiency, healthier cooking options, and the ability to prepare full meals without relying on multiple appliances, this is worth your attention. The purchase link is available in the description if you decide it fits your needs. The Nuwave Brio 15.5 Qt is not a basic air fryer. It combines air frying, rotisserie cooking, baking, grilling, dehydrating, and more into a single unit. With a large 15.5 Qt capacity, it is clearly built for families or anyone who cooks in larger portions. It's especially relevant for users who want consistent results without standing over a stove or using multiple devices for one meal. Let's break down the experience more practically. Reason 1. Versatility that replaces multiple appliances. The Brio offers 10-in-1 functionality, including air fry, roast, grill, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie modes. This means you can prepare everything from crispy fries to whole roasted chicken using one system. What stands out is not just the number of functions, but how smoothly they integrate into everyday cooking. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it is often praised for reducing kitchen clutter while expanding meal options. Reason 2. Large family-sized capacity with real practicality. With its 15.5 Qt interior and 4 rack positions, this unit is designed for batch cooking without compromising airflow or consistency. Whether you're preparing multiple portions of vegetables, a full rotisserie chicken, or layered meals, the space is used efficiently. The included accessories also enhance flexibility, making it suitable for structured meal prep as well as spontaneous cooking. Reason 3. Precision control with consistent results. The temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in small increments, gives you fine control over cooking outcomes. Combined with the linear T technology, the Brio maintains stable heat rather than cycling aggressively on and off. In practical use, this translates into more predictable textures and reduced chances of overcooking or uneven results. Reason 4. Rotisserie and convection performance. The top-mounted 5-inch convection fan ensures strong air circulation, supporting even crisping without excess oil. The rotisserie function is particularly effective for whole chicken, allowing self-basting rotation that locks in moisture while excess fat drips away. This balance between crisp exterior and tender interior is one of its strongest performance points. Reason 5. Smart presets and time-saving convenience. With 100 built-in presets and 50 customizable memory slots, the Brio is designed for repeatable cooking without guesswork. Once you find a setting that works for your routine, you can store it and reuse it instantly. For busy households, this reduces decision fatigue and speeds up daily cooking significantly. In conclusion, the Nuwave Brio 15.5 Qt Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven is not trying to be minimal or compact. It is designed for users who want capability, volume, and flexibility in one appliance. The main limitation is its size. It will require dedicated counter space, and it may be more than what a single user or very small household needs. However, for families or anyone serious about structured home cooking, it delivers a strong combination of performance and practicality. It stands out not by being simple, but by being complete. If you feel this aligns with your kitchen needs, take a moment to check the details through the link in the description. Making an informed choice always leads to better long-term satisfaction.